Okay, yes, hello, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV. I'm on the Hobie 16 with Luke. And we're going to do a burning lap of the upwind downwind course. It's pretty fruity, bit of wind at the moment. So we're going to go upwind to the windward mark, downwind to the downwind mark, but we're going to start off by reaching in to the leeward mark on a Joyrider TV special. And we're going to go around the mark the wrong way, as if it was a gate mark. And okay, and a little bit of traveller in as we go round. Okay, and we're off. We'll move forwards for the upwind. Well done, Luke. Jib in, nice. Just getting tidied up a bit. Yeah, it's probably about 25 knots on the course. Woo! Oh yeah, now there's some wind in that wind, I can tell you. Whoa! F***ing hell. All right. Traveller wasn't quite in the cleat. Oh, on the nuts. Oh man, God, this is not going well. Okay, and we continue. Crikey. God, that was fun. Alright. Yeah, just fighting it. Okay, so going upwind, we're gonna be tracking fairly soon for the windward mark. Okay, yeah, I think we should go. So we're just going to go into the boat first, and then we're going to go for it. Going in, sheeting in. You ready, Luke? Okay, through we go. Jibs back, main sheets off. Okay. Okay, we're back on the boat. I'll just try not to fall in. Oh. All right, soon be going a little bit better on the port tack. We've got the main sheet block to block. Traveller just out a little bit so that we can have the main sheet block to block. Jib Traveller all the way out. Jib's cranked in tight. We're keeping the weight fairly well forwards, because especially in this wind, all of the pressure is pushing the bows up on the upwind course. Right, we're going to have to tack fairly soon. Oh, bracing for a lull. That was quite a big gust. Must be in high 20s. All right, so we're going to go for a tack. I think, I can't see the mark, but I'm kind of guessing where it is.
Yeah, we're all put you on lay now.
All right, we'll just go on a little bit. Crikey. God, she's really trying to buck us off. Oh my word, this is windy. All right, so we're going to go into the boat first, then we'll go for the tack. All right, so moving in there, just sheeting out a little bit as we come out in, sheeting in again. You ready, Luke? All right, pushing away, watching the jib. Jib's back, going across. Try to sheet out a bit more main there. Little bit of a reverse out of the tack. And sheeting in again. Woo. And I'm getting the feeling we're not going to make the windward mark. Oh, actually, we're not far off. Okay. Crikey, this wind is strong. God, feels like quite an effort. We've got to do a downwind leg in this as well. That's going to be exciting. Yeah, so we're right. Luke's called it very nicely, the ley line. So as we get towards the buoy, key points of bearing off in this wind are going to be, we want to have the sails out a bit more than optimal at all times as we bear off. The weight needs to be back so we don't stick the nose in, but we want to be going into it with confidence and some sort of finesse. Right, wind's just got a little bit soft there. Nice gust here. Hopefully that will give us enough to get up high enough. Okay, so I should go in there, Luke. All right, nice, and get ready to sheet out as we bear away. So I'm going to bear away from out on the trapeze, so I'm coming towards the back. All right, here we go, sheet out then, Luke. Come back a bit, sheeting out, coming back until we're on that proper cat sailor's broad reach, and then I'm going to come in. I'm going to travel out a bit just beyond the toe strap. Woo! All right, phase 2 complete, the bear away. Could this be any more exciting? Yes, it could. All right, stay tuned to find out. All right, nice juicy gust there. We're going to jibe fairly soon. Whew. All right, you ready for the jibe, Luke?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's go. All right, so. Oh, lovely jibe. The mainsail really went weightless there. Whoa. Using the anti-pitch pole bow plate there as we're coming downwind. Got the main out a little bit too much. Just struggling to sheet in a bit. Woo. All right, whoa, jib out. Okay, this is getting pretty breezy. We could say breeze on, and we probably would. Okay, so we're going to finish by going around the leeward mark back onto another upwind leg, and then that is it done. So as we go around, we're going to be sheeting in, travelling in, and moving forwards. Ay caramba, this is exciting. Woo! Just trying to keep this goat under control. She's definitely chewing at some grass on the side of the road. Whew, yeah, my goodness. All right, so we're going to start trapezing before we get to the buoy. Right, I'm just edging my way out there, and I'm out and I'm secure. Traveller rope for Luke. All right, whew. And we start moving forwards. Nice, yes. Oh my word, this is exciting. Crikey. Okay, I'd say we did pretty well there. That wasn't a bad mark rounding at all. Nice job, Luke. Okay, so there we go. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this has been exciting stuff for you. There were some bits I was going to take out, but you know what? I think we're going to leave them in because everybody loves to see that sort of stuff. That is high wind sailing and racing and all of it. Woo! All right. Crikey. Close the beach. Bloody hell.